Hello, it's Daphne Morris here, and I'm wanting to share this knitted sampler that I designed for my son and his family with you today. I decided the colour was chosen by my daughter-in-law, and she just wanted something that she and my granddaughter can snuggle under on the sofa. So I've gone with an acrylic for this throw because it was easy to wash and I don't trust her washing skills. However, if you wanted to make it warmer, I would suggest a chunky 100% wool such as the Retreat. The whole Afghan is knitted in 9 separate blocks which I have sewn together, and at a later date I'll show you how to sew things together, how to block each square so that it doesn't curl, and indeed how to create the different textures. Remembering that knitting is in fact just a combination of 2 stitches. Plain or knit stitch into the front of the needle and purl, which is in the back of the needle, traditionally seen on the back of a piece of work, but here used to create texture. And that's what this is about, texture, patterns to give some variety. So this having been a request by my daughter-in-law for my family, I designed the heart to go in the middle. I was looking for something and I thought it's made with love from the heart. This is the symbol of what I was giving them really, so I made it central. Nice big heart in the middle. It can be changed, remembering that knitting is made up of just 2 stitches. The purl, which is traditionally the back of the knitting, is knitting into the back of the loop, and plain or knit stitch into the front of the loop on the needle. I'll show you that later. Here I've used the 2 stitches in different combinations to provide texture. Cables with moss stitch in between. All it is plain and purl used differently, and cables are twisting it. The basket weave is nothing but plain and purl in sequence and just changing it round. And then a more involved cable here, which is just a sense of twisting various stitches, and the lattice or diamond, which again just gives you a different effect and a little bit more interest. And I'll share with you how to put it together at a later date. And before actually sewing your pieces together, the 9 squares that I have here, or however many you like, I will also talk about blocking your work to prevent it rolling and actually to push it to the size that you might like, which works a little better with natural yarns than with artificial, man-made yarns, but works for all. So that is the end of the introduction to the Afghan throw designed by Daphne. I look forward to bringing you the various stages as I work my way through another project in a different colourway to show you other features that you can achieve with a very simple design and how you can personalise it in future. Thank you for listening.